Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Uchechi and I am a content creator and digital marketing consultant. On my channel, I share content creation tips, Instagram tips, and entrepreneurship tips largely from my experience. So if you're interested in that sort of content, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you are not yet subscribed to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever a video goes live every Friday. Today's video is sort of a follow-up to last week's video. In last week's video, I showed you how to create your content calendar for your social media platforms, and also went ahead to share or show you my content calendar template, which in my opinion is very easy to recreate. So if you haven't watched that video, I will leave the link for you in the description box, and it will also show up at the top. So please do not go now to watch it. Watch this very video till the very end, and then afterwards you can watch that video if you want to know how to create your content calendar for your social media platforms. In today's video, I am teaching you, or I am showing you how to schedule your Facebook and Instagram posts from Facebook Creator Studio. Facebook Creator Studio is a desktop and mobile app that brings together your Facebook and your Instagram pages under one single dashboard, right? So you can get your analytics, you can schedule your posts from there. All you have to do to be able to access this is have a business or a creator profile on Instagram, right? So if you have a personal profile, you may not be able to access Facebook Creator Studio, but if your page or profile is a business or a creator profile, you will be able to access it. So if you are interested in knowing how to schedule your Facebook and Instagram posts from Facebook Creator Studio, keep watching. Now on this channel, I have talked about scheduling your posts, but that was with Canva. The only challenge with that is to be able to schedule your social media posts from Canva, you need to have an active Canva subscription. You need to be paying monthly or yearly for Canva. Now, this option, this Facebook Creator Studio option is favorable if you do not have a paid subscription running on Canva, because you do not need to pay for it. It is easy to use. So I'm going to stop talking now and just show you a recording of my screen so that you'll see how I schedule the post, and possibly when it goes up, so that you can do this for your page if you handle your page yourself, or for clients if you are a social media manager. Now, once you click on the Facebook Creator Studio, it will take you to page to log in if you're logging in for the first time. But because I am already logged in, it will take me straight to my dashboard. And here I can see my connected Facebook and Instagram account. So like I said, to have access, you need to, one, have a Facebook page, and two, for Instagram, make sure your Instagram profile is a business or creator profile. If you do not meet these criteria, then you will not be able to access Facebook Creator Studio. Now quickly, I'll just show you some of the things by the left hand side of the screen, and this, I'm on the Facebook tab. Now you have home, so at the very top you have your create post, which is similar to Instagram, and this is where you would create or schedule your post from. After that, you have home, you have content library, where you have access to all the content. For the Facebook page, to select a particular Facebook page, just come here, click on the drop down and select which one. So let's look at my own Facebook page. And here, so you can see all your content. At the top, you can choose the post type, you can choose the time and other filters. You can check for published, check for scheduled, drafts, and all of that stuff, right? So that's not why we're here, so I'm just going to go through. Now for insights, you can also check your insights here. It is very robust. You also have inbox, you have monetization. Now the monetization tab is a tab I don't use at all, because I don't know, I'm still not sure how it works, but essentially this is what it does. So it pulls together different monetization tools, and you have to be eligible to use some of these tools. So I'm currently only eligible for the instant articles, right? I'm not eligible for in-stream ads, brand collabs, manager fan subscriptions, and a bunch of others. So you can just look through this. It explains and also shows you what you have to do to be eligible to earn money from these different tools on Facebook. Here you have your creative tools, which again is very robust, and of course you have your settings where you can choose, where you can add people and give them different roles within the Facebook Creator Studio. Now for Instagram, which is the part that I use very often, you have your create posts as usual. You have the content library where you see all your posts, so your Your photo posts, video posts, carousels, IGTV stories, all of them are here. They haven't added reels yet. Maybe they will add it soon. You have your calendar where you can see the posts that have been scheduled. Let me switch this to my Instagram page. Yes, you also have, so you can see all of the posts that have gone up so far. For monetization, it's similar to that of Facebook. I also do not use this monetization tab here because I still haven't quite figured it out. For Instagram account, this is where you add all your Instagram accounts, right? So tap on add Instagram account at the top here, at the top right, to add Instagram account, and of course resources. Now to schedule your post, you tap on create posts, and at the moment you can only schedule to your Instagram feed and to IGTV. I believe Facebook is testing scheduling to your Instagram story, but that update hasn't come in yet. So at the moment it's just Instagram feed and IGTV. So this is what it looks like. So I mean, when you tap on that, you have to choose the page, and this is where you put in your caption, right? Type in your caption here. You put in your location here, Lagos, Nigeria, and you can put in your location, and then you add your content here. So you can either pick from your system, from your laptop, from your device, or from your Facebook page. And yeah, so you can pick multiple images if you want to post a carousel, and you tap on choose for upload, and it will upload here. And when you're done, so you know what, let me draft a post so that you see what it looks like. So this is a test post. So your caption, your hashtags, right? So those are your hashtags. If you want to add your emojis, you can do this from here. You see that there? Now let's add a picture. So let's say I want to post 2 pictures. First, second. Okay, yeah, so 2 pictures. Now please take note of this part. This shows you the progress, right? So make sure it is at 100, because that's the only way it will post. So this shows you your upload progress, right? So I'm gonna have to wait for that to finish or to get to 100 before I can publish. So here you have advanced settings, right, where you can decide to turn off the comment. You can add your alt text. I usually add alt text because it helps for people that have visual impairment to read your post. And alt text is basically just a description of the image that you have posted. If you're not using alt text, you probably should, because apparently it increases your reach. Right. Now, if you're also working with a business, so if you have a branded item in your post, or a brand has paid for this post, you can decide to tag them here, and it will show paid partnership with at the top. I'm sure you've seen some of those posts before. Okay, so this has finished uploading. Let me go back to post info. Now you can decide to post this on Instagram and Facebook as well. If I wanted to post this on Facebook as well, I'll click on this checkbox here and publish, right? But I do not want, I want this to go up on Instagram alone. Now this is where you schedule, right? So this publish button, there's an arrow at by the side, so just tap on it. So you have publish now, you have schedule, and you have save as draft. So let me schedule this for, what's today's date? Today's the 10th. So let's schedule this for 5. So you can see that it's already showing you the time limit for publishing, or for scheduling rather. So I'm going to do this for 5 p.m. It is currently 4:45, so that gives me 15 minutes, and I will click on schedule. So you can see I've already gotten that message that my post has been successfully scheduled, and it is showing here under my content library. So you can see the post, the caption, the hashtag, and the time where it will go up. So you can do same for videos, you can do same for your IGTV. You currently cannot do this for Insta story, like I already showed you at the beginning. It's just for your feed post and your IGTV post. I cannot wait for Insta story. Well, I may not use Insta story. I feel like Insta story should be spontaneous, right? Real time, and scheduling, except you have like standard stuff that goes up on your Insta story, then you can schedule that, right? But I usually prefer spontaneous materials going up on my Insta story. Now while I wait for that to schedule, let me take you through Insights, which is my favorite part right now. Now the Insights tab, the Insights is a lot more detailed in my opinion. Not just in my opinion, you would see. It's a lot more detailed than the Insights that you get on the Instagram app. Now if you were checking this on the Instagram app, you would see per 3 hours, right? So you see 3 p.m., 9 p.m., 12 midnight, 3 a.m., 6 a.m., and 9 a.m., right? But for this, it is broken down into every hour. So you can see 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m., and it does this for 7 days a week. Now this changes according to the changes going on your page. So there are times where these numbers fluctuate. I didn't used to have 1,000 people online at a particular hour, but I've started having those figures. I used to range between about 800 to 900-ish, but because my followers are growing and engagement is improving on my page, I'm beginning to have more followers online at a particular hour. So this is where I actually check. I don't even check on Instagram because Instagram is not as detailed as this is, but this is where I check for when to post on my Instagram page. Okay, so it is 5 p.m. Let me move to Instagram so that you can see the post. I hope this doesn't make me log in afresh. Fantastic. Okay, so I am still logged in. I'll go to my profile and is it? Yes. So this is the post, guys, right? So this is the post, this is the caption. The space between the caption itself and the hashtag stayed. And I have my carousel post here. Okay, and that's it. Very easy, very straightforward. And there you have it. Easy to use, right? Easy to understand, right? So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please make sure I give it a thumbs up to let me know that you enjoyed it, and to also let YouTube know that you enjoyed it so that they can recommend it to other people who are looking for similar videos. Okay, if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, again, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you will get notified when my video goes up every Friday. I will see you in next week's video. Till then, stay safe, stay fabulous. Have a fantastic weekend, guys. Have the perfect frame, recording frame. I feel like I'm saying rubbish right now. Yeah, I hope this works. It worked. I think it worked. Yeah, I can work with this light.